Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Instagram DM glitch. So guys, if you want to use your direct message in your Instagram and facing the issue that messages are not loading on your Messenger tab and facing any kind of problems related to messages, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix these problems. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings on your iPhone, and guys after this you need to click on Wi-Fi, and guys make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. So guys, if not connected, then you need to connect it. And guys after doing this you need to go back, and secondly you need to scroll it down, and guys you need to click on general, and guys after this you need to click on iPhone storage, and guys here you need to find Instagram. So guys simply you need to click on this, and guys you need to offload your Instagram from here. And guys after doing this you need to go back. So guys simply after this you need to open your app store on your iPhone, and guys after this here you need to search Instagram. So guys after searching Instagram you need to open your Instagram, and guys you need to update your app from here. And guys after doing update your problem will be fixed, and you will be able to see all the messages on your messenger chat. So guys after doing this, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to open your settings again, scroll it down, click on general, and guys you need to make sure that your date and time is set automatically. And after doing this you need to click on VPN and device management, and make sure that any kind of VPN is not connected with your phone. And guys you need to scroll it down, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset, and click on reset network settings. And guys after doing this you need to go back, and guys simply you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. So guys maybe this problem is occurred due to iOS 17 update. So guys when you update your iPhone to iOS 17.1, then guys all the features will be working fine. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.